Tenny has been good with everyone around her, including her servants and her maid, everyone around her, even her co-friends like her celebrities, including Pokoli and Belashmoda, until this very day that one of her servants made her angry. And watch this video to see what happened next. Tenny Ola was very angry and she parried very much.
You're giving me a day.